Okay, hello guys, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. Okay, now in our previous tutorial we designed our app admin where we have our search data, app users, app orders, app messages, app products, add products, order history and privileges. So in this tutorial we are going to work on our add products because we want to populate data on our store front end. We want to populate data on our store front end. So without wasting much time, let's just move straight to let's start baking the cake. Okay, so we need to come to our add products. Okay, we're in our add products now. Now we want to do exactly the same thing we did for our login. Remember in our login tutorials we built a text field for it because we reused the text field for both login and logout. So probably I would want to rename this to um um okay, just let's leave it, let's cancel it. Okay, so I would want to do the same thing again. I would want to do the same thing again for our products because we are going to have similar items we need to add to our products. So let's just get it started. So I'll create, let's go down, or let's just do it here for all our widgets. So I'll create a widget and I'll call it product product text product text field. Okay, then this our product text field is going to return I already have something I've already copied, so I'm going to paste it here, but it's going to return a new column that has children, and this will be what will be inside it. Okay, so it's going to take a new padding and also another padding. Okay, so here now we are going to it's going to take pro it's going to take different parameters like a string. Okay, it's going to take, I will give it title, and here it's going to take title. Going to take title, then we are going to give it a controller, title and controller. Okay, we have title text. We have to rename this title text. Okay, then another string, we'll call it hint text. Then text, we have a text editing controller, we'll call it controller. Okay, so here we'll just put it to controller, change it to text, hint text, we'll change it to hint text. Then hint text as controller. Then we want to add something here. We want to add double um height, height. Okay, let's give it a height, and here we want to pass in our height here. Want to pass in our height here. Okay, now we have now we've designed this. Now we want to do the same thing we did in our previous tutorial. So we also have a text input type, so we also get the input type also, and also add it here. We also add the text input type here, and the text input type here also reflects here. Okay, so we did some protection here. We did some protection at this app text field. So what we are going to do is similar here. We are going to get this text hint and make sure it's not equals to null. We're going to get our text hint and make sure it's not equals to null. So we'll do it here. We have Okay, here the same thing, just copy, let's rename it to text hint, and here we will remain here to text title. Okay, so here we'll change it to text hint also. We'll change it to text hint. Okay, then now let's work on the height. Okay, we have height. We say if height is equals to null, if height is equals to null, okay, height is equals to null, then height is equals to 50.0. Otherwise, give us height, return height. Okay, now we've protected the height. Then text input type. Did we protect the text input type here? We did protect the text input type because we said text input type is a class, so we protected the text input type here. So we'll also do the same thing here. We also did the same thing here. Okay, then what else did we do? What else did we do? We have given it a height, we already give it a padding, we give it a padding. So I don't think we didn't do any other thing. Okay, so let's come to our add product, and we get rid of this center and replace it with a single child scroll view. So we replace this with a single child scroll view. Then single child scroll view takes in a child that takes in a new column. Okay, this column takes children, and here we go. Okay, so let's import app tools here. Package app. No, it's not coming up. Let's import app tools here, and this app tools will take in our product text field. Taking our product text field, then we'll put whatever parameters we need to put inside. Okay, so let's import this guy. Okay, so we took some preventive measures, and let's see if it's going to work out for us. Okay, we said app products. Okay, this should be in our add products and not in app products. So we have to go back, Ctrl Z back to the point how it was. Okay, then we'll come to add products, not app products. So inside our add products, we eliminate this line and replace it with single child scroll view, and child new column that takes children, then put it inside, and we'll save. Hopefully it won't give us an error, but it did give us an error. Say data is equals to null. So quick data is equals to null. Let's see the data is equals to null. App tools, new text title. Okay, we didn't give it a text title, we didn't protect our text title, so we need to protect our text title also. So text title is equals to null. We'll say text title is equals to enter title, then return text title. So I think this is going to protect it. So okay, so this is what we have. So okay, that's okay. So our column will have to take in let's take a main axis alignment, and let's add the start. Okay, just want to work here. Okay, so let's continue now. Add product. So here we have our column. So let's say main analysis alignment mega dot start, and let's see. Wow. Okay, cross alignment dot start also. Let's check it here also. Okay, I guess it has nothing to do with this. So let's see. Okay, okay. So what we want to do first, let's just add let's add our let's work with what we have here, like this what we have in this particular place. So first of all, we have our title. We have title. We have title. We have subtitle or subname. We have description. We have colors. We have sizes. So let's start from the one we can remember. So what we'll do here will be service product title. So we here we'll give it a title. Okay, product title. Then let's give it some margin up, size box, and height like 20.0 so that it could breathe properly. On some, okay, 10.0, let it breathe. Okay, title. Then we have hint. So hint now will be enter, sorry, not height. We have hint, enter product title, enter product title. Now I want this scaffold to have a background color of colors dot white. Okay, would this actually make sense? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? What about we make this let's see something different. Team dot of context, okay, dot primary color. Okay, let's see how it's going to be. Then we'll give this elevation of 0.0. Okay, so let's customize this guy. So since we're having that here, we'll not use a color black, we'll have to use white here. We have to use white here, and our text field will have to be our container here. We also have to have a colors dot white. We also have to have a colors dot white. So okay, let's work with this. Let's work with it. So we have enter product title. We have enter product title. Okay, then we also have to have product title. We have what else? Let's go to our store. We have something here. Okay, product title, price, image, ratings, and all of that. So let's see what we have here. Product title. Okay, this is the category. We have a price. um we have colors, we have sizes, color size, we have description. So product title, description, colors, sizes. Product title, description, colors, sizes. So let's build our description here. Okay, copy this, and here again, description. Okay, enter description. Okay, then since this is a description, I want to give it a height, and this height I want to give it 100.0. Okay, height of 100.0. Then I want to give it a maximum. I want to give it a maximum text. So if height, I want to write a code also. I want to say if height is not equals to null. If height is not equals to null, I want to have something like maximum text. Okay, let's see. Inside this our text field, we have maximum length also. Let me confirm something. Let me confirm from our description here, we have maximum length and maximum lines. Okay, maximum length and maximum lines. Okay, so let's ignore this for now. So we have description. Now we need to get colors, and we need to get sizes. We need to get for our colors, and we need to get for our sizes. We need to design for colors, and we need to design for sizes. So let's just go back and check what we designed first, and before we come back to colors and sizes. Description. Okay, I want this description to be more than 150. What is the height of? Okay, let's give 180. Okay, product description. Okay, now let us now work on something else. We want to work on the prices. We want to work on the prices and the sizes. So now we have to come back. We want to come back to our app tools, and I want us to build a widget. And I'll call it product drop down. Okay. Now this product drop down, I want you to have a drop down. I want you to have a drop down of sizes, and also have a drop down of sizes, and it also have drop down of colors, drop down of sizes and drop down of colors. So then we also have, what else do we even have here? Okay, we have drop down of sizes, drop down of colors. We have drop down of sizes, drop down of colors. So let's add the two of them. Let's build something for it. I have a code here for drop down. Let me get it, so I won't have to waste time here. Build drop down. It's a big code. It's a very big code. So build drop down categories. Okay, so let's see. Let's build our drop down then. Okay, so what we have here, we have string, then unchanged. There's this. Okay, there's this unchanged. Unchanged selected. Okay, void callback. Let's see what we can get out of this. Okay, so it cannot be underscore, so let's get rid of this underscore, underscore, and here also this underscore. Okay, it said argument cannot be assigned a void cannot be assigned a parameter of type string. Let's see why it has an error. String argument type void can't be assigned to type string. So what should have been the correct stuff? Let's see what our unchanged method has. Unchanged, it has a value changed, so it takes in a value change, so I think I'll just have to put in value changed here. Okay. Phew. Okay, now this is our drop down we are building. This is our drop down we are building. So we have what we did here was to return a new drop down button with the underline button with the line hidden. Then it has a child that has a new drop down. Then has value that has selected category, items, drop down categories, then unchanged, change drop down categories. Okay, so I want to rename this to be understandable. Selected item. Okay, rename here to drop down items. Okay, then change drop down items. Rename here to change drop down items. Okay. Okay, so colors and sizes. So also the same thing we did for our product title. We also need to have a title here. We need to have a title, and we need to put this thing inside the margin also. So our had a pad inside a padding, sorry. So we have to wrap this inside a column. Wrap inside a column. Okay, now this column has everything has a padding. Okay, the first one That's it for the title. So we have to create for the title. Okay, you have to create for the title. Then also give this other one a padding. You give this other one a padding, left and right. Okay, let's add padding to it. Pad it left and right. Pad it left and right. So um for our title, let's do this. Okay, so just have to give string title. Okay, so let's see. Okay, now we need for our colors, and everything. But how would this be if we change this title to white? Like if we change here and we give it the colors and give it colors dot white. Still okay. Still okay, it's just a matter of choice. So now product product drop down so let's start building. What do we need to do first? Okay, we need to give it, let's give it a height, let's give it a space. So sorry. Okay, then I want product drop down to come here, and this to take in a title. Drop down. Yes, that's taking a title, but this title shouldn't be here. It should be here. Crash. Wonderful, as I suspected. Title. I want the title to be um colors, color, right? Select color. So actually, let's know why it is crashing. It said items is not equal. Items should not be equals to null. Items not equals to null and all of that. Okay, so let's start. So here now we need selected items, we need drop down items, we need change drop down items. Okay, so what we need to do here now is our selected, we need to get a string. Okay, please don't worry, I will explain all this later. Let me just copy it and paste it here on our add products. Okay, now drop down categories, and okay, then what else do we want to do? Okay, we have build and get drop down categories. Now we have a list of items it's getting in from, and we now say okay, but from local list, local services. Okay, init state sizes AV list. Okay, build and get drop down sizes. Okay, we have this drop down. We have this method build and get drop down sizes. So let's put it here. Okay, from local services, let's see where this local service, where the local services, local service. Oh, wonderful. Okay, let's come to our tools. You know, our tools we have app data. So app data, let's just do some local services also. Okay, change drop down items. Change drop down items. It's just simple void callback code. So issue somewhere. Change. I called it oh, change drop down items. Okay, let's try again. Okay, now we have an error. We said void is not a subtype of dynamic. Okay, string is not a subtype of dynamic. Let's see where it is. String is not a subtype of dynamic. Oh my god. Okay, and it was, I have to specify the type here, which is a string, and try it again. Okay, fine. It worked. Okay, it worked. Let's go back to our app tools and let's make this better. Cross. Okay, dot start. Okay. Let's give this as usual colors dot white. Expect service and selected items here. Type def and change key style, new text style, columns dot white. Okay, double style. Hint is dense. Elevation key. Okay, I want to know why this is not. Move these colors. I don't know why this has not aligned to where it should be. So let's know why. Okay, so this is our third product and it's not aligning. It went to another direction to stay. Let's see why. Okay, we have cross as the alignment, you have dot start, you have padding 8, and the other one padding left and right. So padding left and right, we have 8. So what if this padding here was 5 on the left and 5 on the right? Let's see how they go. Just start also. Why did it go towards that direction? It went there into the center. Like, oh, minus this alignment does start. Cross as this alignment does start. Oh, wonderful. Okay, I think I've seen why. He just wanted to be stubborn. He just wanted to be stubborn. Okay. I think I want to make this to be. Is it done? Drop down. Let me remove this. Let me remove this widget and see how to go with that. Elevation 8, icon size is dense. Reduce the button's height. Okay. Okay. So so far so good. This is what we did. This is what we've designed. We created a widget in our app tools, and our widget takes a title, which is this color here, and it has a selected item. It has drop down items, and it has change drop down items. So this change drop down items is a type of value changed method. So we created a value change method which sets the state whenever the value has changed. Okay, whenever the value has changed, it sets the state. So this is for our colors. So what we are going to do now is inside this our build our product drop down. See, it has a column, and the column has a title, and it has these drop down items, value items, and unchanged. Here our values is just, it's not difficult. It's just a list of drop down items, then a string for the selected item. So let's rename this. So this selected color. Then here now is here is our color list. Then here is drop down colors. So here is selected color. So rename here to build and get drop down. Okay, so we have a list of drop down items for our colors, our drop down colors. Now we have a string selected color, and also we now have our color list. So this is how this is. So for in our init state, we are building our color list from here, but we need to make it okay, local colors. So let's build our colors. We have red, Roy G beef. So we have red, orange. We have green. Roy G. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's see. Let's build it and let's see what happened. Okay, this is our color. These are local colors. So what we can even, you can just add here, like what we can add here. Select a color. Select a color. So let's come back to it and let's see. You have to rebuild it. Okay, select a color. Okay, so the same thing, we have colors, we have sizes, we have colors, we have sizes. So we need to select a color. We need to build our sizes also. So we just build sizes from 0 to 10. So here, local sizes. Select a size. So size size 1 to 10. We'll have size 1 to 10. Okay, size 2. Okay, our sizes, let's we have small, medium, large, and we'll have extra large. This is our size category. This is what we have as sizes. Okay, then since that's the case, we just have to, all we just need to do is just to come here, and we have to get ours. We have to our drop down sizes. Okay, we need to have our selected size. Okay, and we'll have our size list. Okay, so we need to get our size list from our local sizes. Okay, then also we need to get our drop down sizes from our size list, and we need to selected size from our drop down sizes. Okay, then making it very easy, we just copy and paste, and we'll call here size. Hopefully we don't get an error. Okay, let's rebuild. Add product. Okay, so here we have selected size, drop down size, and let's change size. Here is change color. Change size. So let's see. Selected size, good. Small, medium, large, and extra large. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So let's just let me remove this and wrap this inside. Let's wrap it inside the roll. Okay, so we have this one, and we'll have this other one inside a row. Then inside this row, we now say main axis alignment. Let's space between and see, or let's say space evenly. Let's go with space between. Okay, so we have to just try to increase this to like 15. Let's see. Okay, so now we have built this our add products. Our product has product title, product description. We have colors, where we set our color, select our colors. Then we have where we select our sizes. So let's see what else we need to add for our products. Okay, I don't. Okay, now we now have to go into the big stuff here. That is our images. That is our images. So, but let's add one more thing here. Let's add one more thing here. In our login, we have what we call our app button. Okay, now app products. Let's still do the same thing here. Let's give it a new size box and a height of 20.0, and let's call this. Okay, and put that now and click here right now. Okay, so let's design one more thing. Now we have to add images. We have to add images. So for us to add images, we need to know how many images we want to add, and the yes, the number of images we need to add. So I think we are going to talk about building adding images in our next tutorial. In our next tutorial, we are going to add images here. So the images, you pick image from the gallery and add it here. So you can select the number of images you want to add, and you can upload it to database. And in the next tutorial, we are going to add products to our database and read products from our database. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe. Peace.